Hey, you just caught me in the middle of editing another Great Racer Cinema Productions video. Hey look, I can be like Black Yoshi too. Or a, Dougie. Yeah, I got a KFC chicken sandwich. If I can get it out. There we go. KFC chicken sandwich. Fries. And that purplish Kool-Aid. Yeah, this is a tribute to a Dougie, also known as Black Yoshi. Yeah, I could be hip and cool just like him, am I right? Yep. Enjoy. Well, hello there. Yeah, what'd you think of the new intro that I made? Yeah. I couldn't run the risk of taping the camera to the front of the car, cause well, damage it. You don't want to know what happened to a certain YouTuber when he taped his Samsung Galaxy smartphone to the front end of his Ford Escape SUV. Well, that didn't go so well. I didn't want to damage my equipment. Anyways, I brought back the intros, and I also brought back the gag reels. Yeah, I wanted to do a gag reel that would be a tribute to my favorite character, one of my favorite characters in Super Mario Logan, SML, not SNL, not to be confused with SNL, Saturday Night Live, alongside Jeffy, Black Yoshi. Yeah, it's one of my favorite characters in Super Mario Logan alongside Jeffy. Dougie, also known as Black Yoshi, is hilarious AF. Anyways, I just got myself a brand new smartphone. Yeah. I had my other Samsung Galaxy smartphone for years. And of course, I wanted to unbox this smartphone. Yeah, it's the Samsung Galaxy A12. And of course, I was pretty lucky to get one because of part shortage and all that jazz. Because of COVID. And, you know, I hope we'll get over that pretty soon. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I brought a butter knife and let's go ahead and open it. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to bring a dangerous knife with me. This sellotape's tough. Yeah, butter knives are weak, and their nemesis is sellotape. God. Yeah, why the frick did I bring a butter knife with me? God. There. Let's get it open. Oh, interesting. It actually slides out like the Apple boxes. And we got more sellotape in the way. Shouldn't have brought a butter knife. I didn't want to deal with sharp knives. And I couldn't find any scissors nearby, so sorry guys. Yeah, it actually slides out like the Apple boxes. And it kind of reminds me of an Apple box too. Yeah, it seems as if Samsung is trying to copy Apple's styling of packaging. Yeah, I know what an iPhone looks like. Oh, well, the box of one. Yeah, and even the front of it kind of reminds me of that iPhone box. Should probably have a sharper knife. Sorry about that. Ooh, let's say open up. Even this kind of reminds me of the Apple box. Alright, so we'll get back to that later. Don't want to damage it. I want to put it down gently. Oh, there it is. There's the USB-C charger. Yeah. It's a typical USB-C charger. And apparently the European Union is trying to get all devices to use USB-C ports. It's just someone calling me. And of course there is a charging connector. Yeah, that is pretty important. Let's see what else is in there. Nothing. What could be in the this slot? Just some papers. Add some papers. Instructions. Yeah, it's just your typical paper instruction manual. And of course, we got the phone itself. Yeah. This is just an unboxing video. I haven't gotten a case for this phone yet. Hopefully when I get around to getting a case for it, I'll be able to use it and I'll hopefully do a review on it. But for now, let's just enjoy unboxing it for all its glory. There. It's a pretty big one as well. Yeah, it's got no buttons on it. Again, it's kind of reminiscent of Apple iPhones with that design. Yeah, so that's our unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A12. And it's Apple-esque packaging. I don't know why Samsung would even try to copy Apple's packaging. That's just them though. They can do what they want, I guess. Alright, so see y'all in the Samsung Galaxy A12 review. Peace out.